Hey guys, welcome to my first Valentine Dollar Tree DIY. So this is my first year making anything for Valentine or decorating for Valentine's Day. So I am super excited. So these are the first three that I thought of. I have a few more, but my Dollar Tree doesn't have what I need just yet. So I will be going back the next couple of days or maybe today, I'm not sure. But let's start out with this first one. So I had these coasters already from last year, and I had planned to do like a little Scrabble board tile pieces. So I decided to go ahead and just do it since it is Valentine. I decided to spell out the word love, and for the numbers at the bottom right hand corner, I decided to put our anniversary, my husband's and I wedding anniversary. So I put the month and I put the year that we got married at the bottom, and I think it turned out really cute. I had wanted to do this before, but since it is Valentine's, I went ahead and did instead of the O, I just put a little heart on there. So this one, I was just kind of playing with it. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, either the heart wood piece or the little sticker felt pieces. What I did, just gave it 3 coats of this white chalk paint. Once again, this chalk paint is from Hobby Lobby, and honestly, it's not my favorite. With the Waverly chalk paint from Walmart, I only have to do 1 coat. With this one, I ended up doing about 3 to 4 coats of white to cover up the whole coaster. So I'm just using this to get rid of it, but honestly guys, I did not care for it. Then after that, I used the Ballet, I think it's called Ballet Slipper, or it's a pink Waverly chalk paint. Since the tiles look too white to me, I went ahead and just kind of dry brush a little bit of the pink on top. And then I went ahead and for my letters, I went ahead and stenciled, well, I didn't stencil, but I printed off my Cricut. Now guys, I will show you at the end that you can also use Dollar Tree letters for this, but I used my Cricut, but the vinyl that I used I did not care for it. I think it was just a cheap vinyl. I ended up having to peel it off myself and stick it on just like regular stickers, which that defeats the purpose of it being printed off my Cricut. But that's my lesson. I do experiment with all types of vinyl, and this particular vinyl I did not care for. But that is all I did here, and then I just hot glued this heart to the tile, and it spells out the word love, and it has our anniversary on there, and I just love the way it turned out. I think it looks super cute. Guys, I also want to mention that you can get these tiles at Home Depot for 8 cents. I use the Dollar Tree coasters just because I had those on hand, but when I do projects like this or make coasters myself, I just get the tiles at Home Depot because they are obviously way cheaper, 8 cents a piece, and all you have to do is put those little felt bumps or bumper stickers at the bottom. I don't know what you call those, the felt pads. You can get them at the Dollar Tree as well. But I just think that that's the better way to go just because it is cheaper. Like I said, I already had these coasters on hand, so I went ahead and used these, but I still think it looks super cute. I love it. It looks adorable. All right, guys, this next one, I got these are Dollar Tree candles. As you can see, the discoloration of the wax right there, I was trying to find or candles that were already just completely white, but I could not. So I decided to just give them, a fresh coat of paint, of the chalk paint, and it took about, I want to say 3 to 4 coats to completely cover this up as well. But what I'm doing now is I am placing some washi tape up at the top, so that way the paint doesn't go all the way to the top of the candle. And then after I paint that, I let that dry, and then I go ahead and use the washi tape and just put stripes of washi tape going down the candle, and then I go ahead and paint it pink.
my soul. You've heard it all before, honest but I know. Left these years ago, I was young and almost still can't fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love?
Alright guys, I decided that all of these Valentine's Day DIYs, I'm going to make pink just because I think I got tired of all the red from my Christmas DIYs. So most of these are going to be a pink, a light pink, maybe a darker pink, but I don't think I'm going to have any reds depending on what I am making. But I said to myself there will be no reds. I have bought, like, I went to Target Dollar Spot and I got a lot of cute little things that I want to decorate with, and they're all very pink, blushy type things. So I think I just got a little bit tired of all the reds from Christmas, but I think that this candle right here looked really cute. So this right here I wanted to explain to you guys. So I printed this off my Cricut machine, Happy Valentine's Day, and then February 14th. But I printed it out on white vinyl, and I did not like the way it looked. You see me right here at the end, I'm done, but I am staring at it, and I actually took that little heart that you see on there, I took that off. I didn't like the way that looked. So I decided to take a pink Sharpie that I had, and I just traced the letters, and I love how it looks at the end. You won't see me do it in the video just because I thought I was done, but I just didn't like the way that looked. You couldn't see it very well, and I did not want to do it another color. I wanted it in white, but you'll see at the end in the picture, I just traced it with a pink Sharpie. Alright guys, on to this next one. So I found this picture frame in my bucket of Dollar Tree items that I've got over the last year. And I decided that I've been seeing those February 14 signs. So I decided to make one of my own. So all I did was just mix some paint here. Like, I think I mixed some red, some white, and some of that pink. I painted the back of this. This also had a little clip attached to it, and I was trying my hardest to peel it off, but I couldn't, so I decided to leave it alone. I just moved it around as I painted. Then I also had some numbers that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I just grabbed the number 1, number 4, and I used that. And then I used one of the wood hearts that I also got at the Dollar Tree that says love, and I took my white chalk marker and just colored in the word love, and then took some jute twine and just hung up that little heart on the little clip. And that is it. And I put it back in its frame, and I left it the way it is, the frame the way it was, the color black, just because the numbers that I got are black. And I just think it came out super cute. And yeah, I love it. I've seen these signs everywhere, but I really don't want to pay the $15, so I just made my own, and I love the way it turned out.
We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Alright y'all, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I have other projects in mind, and I hope I can get them out to you guys. If you enjoyed it, please give this a thumbs up, and if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!